Hi, and welcome to this Excel 2013 video presented by the CIS Sandbox at Bentley University. My name is Elizabeth, and today we are going to talk about nested if statements. So first, I'm going to show you how to write a regular if statement, and then I'm going to show you how to make it into a nested if statement, which is basically an if statement inside of another if statement. So I'm going to go ahead and add a column called needs repair. And then what I will do is I'm going to check the condition, and then if the condition's poor, I'll have it say yes, otherwise I'll have it say no. So I start out my formula with an equal sign, and then the word if for the if statement. So logical test, so that's what I'm testing. So if the condition equals the word poor, because it's a word, I'm putting it in quotes, and then I'm going to type a comma, value if true. So that's what I want displayed here if in fact this box contains the word poor. So I want it to display the word yes. And then I'm going to add another comma, and value if false. So if the word for the condition is anything other than poor, then I want the word no displayed. And again, these are in quotes because they'll be text. So I will close my parentheses and hit enter. You'll see it says no because here the condition is acceptable. But when I copy it down, where the condition is poor, you'll see the word yes is displayed. So that's how the value if true and the value if false work. So to create a nested if statement, like I said, it's an if statement within an if statement. So for my value if false, rather than just having it display the word no, I can start typing another if statement there. And you'll see it starts back over with the requirements for the if formula. And what this does is, so if my condition is equal to the word poor, then it will display the word yes. Otherwise, if this box contains anything other than the word poor, it's going to jump into this other if statement, but only if the first if statement evaluates to false. So now what I'll do is I'll check to see if my condition is equal to the word acceptable. And then that's my new logical test. And then I'll put in a comma, my value if true. I will have it say soon. And then I will put in another comma. And then my value if false, I will put in the word now, again, for right now. And then I'm going to hit enter. And you'll see this says soon because the condition is acceptable. And then I'm going to click and drag this formula down. And you'll see for the two excellents it says no. But let's say I change this condition from acceptable to mediocre. You'll see it still says no here because that's sort of your default value, because if the word is poor, there's a certain display for it. If the word is acceptable, there's a certain word displayed. But otherwise, any other value in this condition column will just return the word no. So what I can do to sort of fix that is to nest another if statement for my word excellent, because that seems to be one of the standard words. So if the condition equals the word excellent, it's my logical test, so a comma, value if true, then I definitely want the column to display no, and then another comma, and my value if false, I'll have it display value not recognized, and then hit enter. I get an error because I don't have enough parentheses, so I'll just click yes for the correction. And you'll see now it says value not recognized. So that'll prompt whoever's looking at the spreadsheet to double check the condition. And then I can just again copy this formula up, and that is nested if statements. If you have any more questions on how that works, please feel free to stop by the CIS Sandbox and ask a tutor any questions you may have. Thank you.